Hey, what's up, guys? This is a building. It's a 12-unit building that I just went firm on, and I'm gonna tell you how I ended up getting it. It's in a little complex here with many buildings, so hopefully I can talk to the neighbors and get it. But got this one here. I actually purchased this sight unseen. First time I've ever done that for such a big property like this. But I thought I kind of know what I'm doing. Let's go at it. And you can kind of see it's a building, and there's lots of them here. They've been here for a while, and the windows look good. You can see stuff from Google Street View, and you don't get too many showings because of tenants. So it's not like I'm sure their units are not updated, not renovated, and we're going to see the rent roll in a bit here. I'm just not showing a tenant here as I'm walking by, but it's a building and looks good. Windows look good. There's a few things I gotta have to fix. I don't know why there's an awning there. I'm not too keen on this little smoke pit in the back here, so might need to get away, but at least it's pretty far back if tenants are smokers. But hopefully I can change the clientele and get some high paying people in here, and that's the game. Pretty much there wasn't too many units for sale. I threw an offer in here. I had a backup offer on this building, and they ended up the first people weren't able to firm up, and there's the second time that two buyers couldn't firm up. So the seller kind of got frustrated, and that's why he ended up taking my offer. And just kind of going back, you can see the building here. I just came in $200,000 less than the other offers, and it came in firm, and they just took my offer. So backup offers do work still sometimes. So you can kind of look at the rent roll here. It's not the greatest, and this can immediately tell me probably the quality of the units. I know these aren't in good shape if they're only paying this much in my city. For example, I can be getting these up to 2 bedrooms up to like $1,700. One bedroom's like $1,500. So this particular listing is 5 2 bedrooms, 6 1 bedrooms, and 1 bachelor. So let's just say I could get 1750 once I'm all done making it my Toronto condo for like the 5 2 beds. Now this is gonna take a little bit of time. We'll either get natural turnover, maybe there's opportunities to give them a penalty if it's 30, and we can go down those routes just to try to get them out. If they're a good paying tenant at $700, there's not much we can do, right? That they're a good tenant, and we appreciate them paying the rent on time. But in reality, we would love higher rents, and I think if you're watching this, you're going to want higher rents too. So we'll just say like 1 bedrooms would be about $1,500. And then the bachelor, like, hey, we'll do 1,007 because I can get that. So as you can see, the annual goes up a lot more right now. And this is how we're going to be able to show the banks what we can do on the rent roll. So a lot of people like to buy based on the cap rates. I don't, well, one, I don't want to overpay on when someone else has the building looking like this. I want to sell it once I have it looking like this, or take people's offers. But before, I want to get it for a good price. So I got it for 1.6. It was listed for 1.8. And yeah, I just threw in the 1.6 firm below. The other offers were closer to probably 1.7 or even higher. And I was just clean, and they got frustrated. They took my deal, and bada bing, bada boom, and we got it. So that's just one of the things I got going on here, and I really appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully I'll be able to do follow-up videos on this property and you see me BRRRR the building. Another thing that I have going on is a BRRRR multifamily group right now. It's got 1.9 members in there right now, and yeah, we'd love to have you in here. If you have any questions, you guys can hit us up in here. Also on this video, hit us up with any comments, and we'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.